If your phone heats up while playing Free Fire, follow these simple fixes to keep it cool and smooth. First, open Free Fire settings. Set graphics to smooth or standard. High or ultra graphics put extra pressure on your phone's GPU and cause overheating. Next, check the frame rate. Avoid ultra high FPS. Use standard or high FPS for better temperature control and stable gameplay. Before playing, always close background apps. Apps like YouTube, Facebook, downloads, or screen recording use RAM and increase heat. If your phone has a game mode or performance mode, set it to balanced or low power, not extreme. This reduces power usage and heating. Also, clear cache regularly from your phone settings and uninstall unused apps. This helps your phone run lighter and cooler. Now, very important usage tips. Do not play while charging. Charging plus gaming creates extra heat and can damage your battery. Always play in a cool place. Avoid direct sunlight and make sure air can flow around your phone. If your phone feels too hot, take a short break. Let it cool down before continuing. Don't force long sessions. Turn off Bluetooth, location, hotspot, and other unused connections while gaming. They silently increase heat. For advanced users, make sure your phone meets the minimum requirements like at least 3 GB RAM for smooth Free Fire gameplay. If heating is still serious, you can use an external phone cooler to control temperature. That's it. Follow these tips and enjoy cool, smooth, and lag-free Fire gameplay. Subscribe the channel to get more Free Fire Pro fixes.